There's a digital transformation underway, and a new way to work is leading it. It's called the constructible process, and it's optimizing the entire design, build, and operate lifecycle. Here's how. Trimble's constructible process focuses on 3 key areas. All phases and trades are connected. Models and workflows are content-enabled, and constructible models drive smarter workflows. The first C, connected, is collaboration at its core. It allows information to flow back and forth freely for successful, on-time project completion. Cutting-edge technology enables connectivity across all project phases, platforms, and devices, allowing users to view, share, and access information from anywhere in real time. Picture this. Structural steel member sizes might need to change during the design or pre-construction process. As a result, many quantities, drawings, or CNC files would be affected. With connected workflows, changes happen automatically, so you can update material orders and keep building for on-time delivery. The constructible process goes beyond BIM by building with constructible data. This data can be used for everything from layout with robotic total stations to holographic information in a mixed reality hard hat. What you see is what you build. No more misinterpretation. Whether it's the delivery of material to a job or the number of crew on site, field and office productivity are taken to the next level. Truly connected teams have the freedom to choose whichever platforms they prefer to get the job done, and it all comes together seamlessly. Whatever you can imagine, you can build. Trimble.